As a part two, as we discuss taxes and tax assessments and tax bills and some of the differences, we've covered the tax assessment, the statement that you get once per year, early in the year, that addresses what your new assessed value is on your home and your new taxable value is. The other thing I want to talk about is your tax bill, and that is something that you're going to receive twice per year. So in Michigan, we get summer taxes and we get winter taxes. So you're going to receive that. And as we've discussed, the assessment's going to come and be very clear. It's going to say, not a bill. The tax statement is going to come, and that is different. That is going to actually be in the form of a bill. However, if you have an escrow, if you have a mortgage on your home and you have an escrow account that covers your taxes and insurance, so something where you're putting money away every month as part of your payment, the mortgage company holds that. This statement, this tax statement, is actually just a statement for your records, because that is going to also be sent to your mortgage company, because they are the ones that are going to pay that bill on your behalf. If you do not have your taxes in escrow for your mortgage, then that is something, this is an actual bill that you get and you need to pay. So you want to pay close attention to when it is due, but you also want to go ahead and take a look, because it will state on the form, this specific one, this example says a copy of this bill has been sent to your mortgage provider. And that's something that you should be able to verify just when you log on to your mortgage account online, or if you need to call them just to confirm that they've received it. And you can also, you should be able to, your escrow account, that'll show you your balances. So each month when you're contributing toward it, it'll show you how much is put in and what the current balance is. And then when they pay a bill, a tax bill or an insurance bill, it'll show that as a debit in which they've paid, and it'll reduce your escrow account accordingly. So just double check when you get your bill, certainly that it's accurate. You're just checking against all the numbers. When you received your assessment, it should actually tell you, when you're reviewing it, it says what your taxable value is, but it also says the approximate change that will mean in your taxes. So you just want to keep an eye on these things and compare. So you're looking at, what did I pay last year? What is the current bill? And is that approximately that difference that they indicated is likely going to be the difference in my taxes? Again, these are all, at the end of the day, there are people who are doing these jobs, and there is human error that happens. There are computer errors that happen. So we need to make sure that we're just double checking all of these things. Taxes are a reality. When you own a home, you have to pay your property taxes, and we just want to make sure that they're accurate and they're being paid on time. Certainly the last thing you want is to have a late payment penalty just due to a misunderstanding or thinking that your mortgage company is paying, but actually you do not have an escrow account and you need to pay that. So if you ever have any questions on your tax bill, I am more than happy to answer anything that I am able to, and then certainly happy to help seek out any of the answers that I may not have. So as we all know, taxes are no fun, but they are necessary. So again, we have property assessments, we have tax bills. They are two different things. The assessments come once per year, the bills come twice per year. And any questions, always feel free to reach out and ask. I am more than happy to help. You can also schedule on my website. I have a link under the contact section where you can directly book a consultation. It'll say buyer and seller consultation, but I'm more than happy to discuss questions like this as well in one of those appointments. So reach out, message me, call, text, whatever you'd like, and I'm more than happy to help.